Alright, let's try this. One, two, three, four.
From the hidden pine trails of the forest, taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come rolling over riches all around you, and for once, never wonder what they're worth. Brainstorm and the river of my brothers.
We'll do the next one sideways.
Connected to each other in a circle, in a hoop that never ends. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon? Or has the grinning bobcat always been green? Can you sing of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Paint with all the colors of the wind. Never hear the wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or whether we all white or copper skin. Need to sing with all the voices of the mountain. Need to paint with all the colors of the wind.
Alright.
On the earth and still, all you alone is earth until you can paint with all the colors of the wind.
Four, five, 6, 8.
I dreamed a dream in time gone by, when hope was high and life worth living.
Oh, bum, 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 bum.
I dreamed that love would never die. I dreamed that God would be forgiven.
Bum, 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 bum.
Then I was young and unafraid.
Luckily, this is our last bit for the day.
Used and wasted. There was no ransom to be
Oop.
paid. No song unsung, no wine untasted.
11? Okay. I counted 12, but also I'm going to look now and go like, oh, you were supposed to be doing 16. Yep. Whatever. Like I say, I always got to look because his numbers are always a little bit different from what I think they have to be, what they should be, or you know, like what they. I keep thinking that they're going to be one thing and they're actually different. However, the biceps are definitely feeling it. So ultimately, we're getting where we need to be. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I mean, like, even with, like, he wants 50 and everything, but, you like I said, as long as you're doing it and you're, like, you know, burning out on it, that's what he's, you know, looking for. And if it's a consistent not able to get all the not able to get all the way and still get the burnout, you can adjust the weight. Boom, boom, boom. All right. All right, so let's go for 16. Two. We're using the lower back now. That's all right. I am the tiger, ready to fight up to the rivals. I'm survivor. Up, 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 up.